You might think giving your license plate a fresh coat of paint is harmless, maybe to fix fading or improve its look. But in California, that simple change can actually get you fined. No, it is illegal to paint, alter, or wrap your license plate in California. Under California Vehicle Code, CVC, 4464 and 5201.1, you cannot modify, paint over, or cover the reflective coating on your license plate, as it must remain clearly legible to law enforcement and cameras. Illegal alterations, painting, using vinyl wraps, adding plastic films, or using covers that obscure any part of the plate is forbidden. Vehicle Code violations: painting a plate violates CVC 4464, altering original markings, and CVC 5201.1, covering/blocking a plate. Consequences: using an altered plate can result in citations, fines, or potentially more severe charges, such as for a forged instrument. Exceptions: only official, DMV manufactured, or DMV authorized digital/specialty plates are permitted. If your license plate is damaged or illegible, you should order replacements from the DMV rather than attempting to repaint it.